Good morning students, welcome to challenge series. Now we are going to see a problem from the unit current electricity. Observe the circuit given in this problem. I am plotting first. Here a configuration of resistors are given like this. This is a circuit given. The configuration of resistors. For this resistors combination, a supply of 10 volts is applied, as shown in this figure. If a 10 volts is applied for this configuration, with each resistance having equal value of 60 ohms. Observe, the resistance value is 60 ohms given in this problem. 10 volt supply is applied. Then what is the current flowing in this circuit? We need to find. Find the current I in this circuit. So for that we need to calculate first the equivalent circuit or equivalent resistance value for this total resistance configuration. Right. Let us consider first. I am naming the points here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right. These are the 8 points. I am rearranging this resistors configuration like this. Observe. Here, first point is connected to, or first node is connected to second and fifth and fourth. So second, fourth, fifth. These three are connected with one resistor each. Next, 2 is connected to 6 and 3. So 2 is connected to 6 and 3 nodes. Next, 5 is connected to 6 and 8 node. 5 is connected to 6 and 8 node. Next, 4 is connected to 3 and 8. So 4 connected to 3 and 4 connected to 8. Fine. Next, 6 is connected to 7. Take this 7 node connected to 6 with one resistor, and 3 is connected to 7, and this 8 is connected to 7. So just verify once again, totally how many resistors are here? This 4 and this 4, 8 and 4 sides, 12. Totally 12 resistors are there. Here if you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 resistors are configured. So same arrangement I am replotted like this just for the convenience of understanding. Observe, here these 3 points are having equipotential points. No doubt, here left side, right side if you observe, these 3 points must be at the same potential. That means these are equipotential points. Similarly, if you observe, these 3 also equipotential points. So in such circuits, equipotential points can be connected. So the equivalent circuit for this we can write like this. Simply, this is having in the first stage, the totally 3 stages are in this figure. In the first stage we are having 3 resistors connected in parallel. In the next stage we are having 6 resistors connected in parallel. And in the third stage also 3 resistors connected in parallel. Then what is the equivalent resistance we need to find now? This is all parallel combinations. And these 3 connected in series. So if a resistor R is connected in parallel n times, we know that equivalent resistance is R by n. So here 3 resistors are connected in parallel. So first resistance value is R by 3. Here 6 resistors are connected in parallel, so that the equivalent resistance is R by 6. And here 3 resistors are connected, so that equivalent resistance R by 3. So this is equal to series connection of 3 resistors, R by 3 plus R by 6 plus R by 3. So the equivalent resistance here it is R by 3 plus R by 6 plus R by 3. Simply here 2R by 3 plus R by 6, so that 6, 4 plus 1, 5. 5R by 6 is the equivalent resistance value in this case. So what is the circuit equivalent resistance means 5R by 6. So this circuit is nothing but, we can rearrange this circuit like this. A single resistance value 5 by 6 R is connected with a supply of 10 volts. Then what is the current flowing in this circuit? R value given that 60 ohms. Simply the current value here it is voltage by resistance. Voltage is 10 volts and R value is 5 by 6 into R. R is 60. So that 6 it goes 10 times and this 10 cancels, 1 by 5 remaining. So it is 1 by 5 amperes is the answer. So in this problem major task is in finding the equivalent resistance between these two terminals. To find such kind of equivalent resistance in such networks, we have to identify equipotential points first. Those equipotential points, if you can combine properly, we can easily get a series and parallel combinations of resistors. Such kind of examples I am giving some more videos. Right? Thank you.